What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back again. We're shooting a Algorand video today to see if we have found a bottom, to see if this is the point that algo will start to rebound. So we're going to start off with the day chart because on the day chart, we clearly see that algo has broken the 800-day EMA, went well underneath it, and we are currently sitting at a price of 70 cents. In my last video, I had mentioned that we were going to touch the strong support, which is that blue line at 67 cents. And we did that almost immediately after I shot the video, the day afterwards. You see that? That was the candle right there. We did that on the 14th of March. And it was nice to see that, my prediction was correct. Because the reason I predicted that was because of these last guys here, how it acted as a strong support last time, touching it about several times, 3 times over here, almost touched it over there. But then after I shot the video, it touched. So that prediction was correct. And not only did it touched and immediately rebounded. It acted as support as it was supposed to be. Good thing it didn't break below because then we had seen prices lower than 67 cents. And so that was good. If anybody set that buy limit, was listening to YouTubers, wanted to see if it worked, guess what? It worked. So congratulations for anybody who took that advice. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I am just a regular guy trying to help other investors, make educated purchases, I guess you could say, and decisions. So is this the bottom? Are we going to rebound now? Is that support going to continue to support? And are we going to go up? Let's go to a smaller time frame right now. See what the 8-hour is doing. 8 hours still trying to rebound, not the strongest right there. If I take out my 3 and 6 EMA, which are way smaller EMAs, that's why I hide them. You can see that it's crossing up, and it's probably going to give you a few more green candles. But like I said, these are small EMAs that I use for scalping. So let's just stick with the big boys. Okay, 4-hour chart. We are all right. So there was a question asked from the last YouTube in the comments below. Are we going to continue to go up, or will it go up to a certain price and then get rejected? And my response to that was that it would most likely get rejected. Why is it most likely going to get rejected? Because there's a whole bunch of EMAs acting as resistance still, because we are still in a downward bearish kind of trend. So when we reverse this and go into a bullish trend, that's once we break that 800-day EMA, which some altcoins are in the process of doing. We're going to go down to the 1 hour and see if algo did that already. But so we have a rejection point right here at 75 cents, which is the 100-day EMA. We have another rejection point here at 82 cents, which is the 200-day EMA. And then we go all the way up to the 800-day EMA, which is going to be the strongest resistance. And that is sitting at $1.16. So it could very well fly all the way up to $1.16. But will we have enough volume and power to break above that and switch the EMAs into a bullish trend instead of having this downward trend the way it's lined up chronologically in order downward? We want this flipped upside down. We want all of these EMAs to be above the 800. And we only accomplish that by breaking through it. So let's see if the 1 hour will give us a better picture of that. No, not yet. Not yet. Still has a lot of way to come. It's still been flying, though. You can see that it did have a nice little increase. The MACD's going through there. That's why you see these big, huge green candles. Remember, we always say on this channel, MACD signal lines crossing through the histogram equals this. Equals big, powerful momentum to the upside, or whichever way it's crossing. If it could cross down, it could cross up. So algo's not there yet. Oops. So, but it's a good sign that, right here we touched like we said we were going to, and it's a good sign that this happened afterwards. Now we're fighting when we got to continue to fight through these EMAs. And this would be the real test right here. On the 1 hour chart, the 800-day EMA is at the 82 cents level. So we got about 10 cents more to go to see if we could get rejected. I mean, this is still going to come down in the short term, but I expect it to have some power, especially since on the day chart, we got a brand new green dot on the wave oscillator on the day chart. So we're going to see how that plays out. And you see, we still got a lot of ground to cover to make algo go parabolic. You know, actually saying that, I want to compare algo to the BCT chart, not USD. See how strong it is against Bitcoin. This is a little different. All right, on this chart, the 1 hour chart versus BTC, it looked like it went all the way up to the 200 already, and now it's getting rejected by it. It whipped up there and it came down. So we got to keep an eye on both charts, you know, against BTC and against the US dollar. Because especially, it's a good sign once you see algo bullish versus Bitcoin. That means we're really going to fly. That means we're really going to get some candles. That means it's our turn as an altcoin to start moving. If you go and check all the other altcoins that have done 20 or 40% already, you check you check that coin against BCT, you will see that it's clearly bullish, even if it's not bullish against the USD chart. So you always want to compare both charts against each other. And having a bullish versus BCT is always a good thing. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Stay blessed. I hope this helped.